Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last session, we have covered SCCM prerequisites installation. Now today, there are some more prerequisites which are required before installing the SCCM setup. So for that, today I'm going to cover these three topics, or you can say three prerequisites. First one is that Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. Second one is Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit with PE, pre-installation environment. And the third one is our Windows Deployment Service. So for before moving ahead, we need setup of first two these assessment or deployment kits that we can download from the website. I will share this the link of these downloads in the description of this video, so no need to worry about that. So let's start with the installation of these two setups. I've already downloaded these setups, ADK setups and ADK WinP setup. Firstly, let's move ahead with the ADK setup. We don't need to select anything, it's automatically we just need to click next. Here we can select no. We have to accept the license agreement, and for this prerequisites we require only these four parts which are really important. Some will like USMT and some configuration designer. These are the part of operating system deployment of SCCM, so that will require at that time, but these are the basic installation, and without this it will give a warning and error as well while installing the SCCM. So better to install this Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit before installing SCCM. So click next. You can see that it started installing this Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so let's check if our installation is completed. Yep, it's completed now, as we can see that in this dialog box. So it took around 10 to 12 minutes for completing this setup, Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. Let's close this. Now the next step is we have to install this setup, that is Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, that is WinPE. It's looking like same like Windows Assessment Deployment Kit. To just click next, accept same setup. Only one feature is there available in this setup, that is Windows pre-installation environment, that is WinPE, that is required for actually Win boot imaging. So let's click next and install it. We have to wait for some time for completing this widget. Okay, so let's check if that installation has been completed. Yes, it's completed now. So it took around 6 to 7 hours for this completion. So it depends on configuration of the server. So for me it took around 6 hours. So for others it may be less or maybe more. I'm closing this. Now the next step is that uh, Windows Deployment Service, WDS, we have to install. This is also one of the important prerequisites. We have to add, just wait for a minute. Yeah. Now we can click here. Click next, and Windows deployment services. This feature we have to install. Click next. Click next. Both. So now it will take a few minutes for completing this wizard. We have to wait for it. Okay, so installation succeeded here. So that's it with the prerequisites. One thing is still pending, that is the SQL Server installation. That I'll cover in the next part, and then we can go for the installation of SCCM server. So thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful for you. Uh, Stay tuned. Yeah, we'll meet you soon. Thank you.